I want to do a review of the different types of accounts that we've looked at so far. There is simple interest growth, where we start off with a certain principal and it grows linearly from there. That's simple interest. After that, we had compound interest. This is where we start with a certain initial principal P, and the account grows according to a curve. But in both of those cases, these are accounts where we didn't make any withdrawals or payments on the account. No money was added, no money was taken away by the consumer. One time we did an account which was simple interest, where we showed that the account grew with time, then the person made a payment, and then that new amount became the principal for future growth. That was a simple interest account with a payment made. What we're going to do in this section is study what happens when you borrow money, but you're expected to make payments on the principal. So what happens when we borrow money, but we have to make regular monthly payments? Then the calculations become a little bit more complicated, but this is more like the real world situation. First, you decide on an initial principal to be borrowed. Sometimes it's called P with a little subscript O. Now, that principal in the first month is going to grow according to compound interest. But after the month is over, you're going to make a payment on the account. That'll drop you down. From there, it'll continue to accrue interest. And then once the month is up, you make another payment. And this process just keeps going until eventually you pay off the loan. It's worth noting that the more you owe, the higher the interest will be. And the triangles here, they represent the interest. Sometimes they are referred to as the finance charge. It's what you have to pay for the privilege of borrowing the money, because when you borrow the money, you can use it for your purposes, whereas somebody else, such as the bank, they can't use it because you're using it. So that's why it's expected that you'll pay them interest for the use of their money.